Okay, I just like to invite you to this very inspiring video. So welcome to an unbelievable experience. Please sit back, hang in tight, because what you are about to witness will blow your mind and knock your socks off for the next 30 years. We have our hands on a pre-launch of artificial intelligence software that is building your business and expanding your business for you. So work less and earn more. Replace and secure your income. Win big in 2019. Enjoy long-term residual payment by harvesting the power of the internet along with the right tools, best guidance, and the perfect system that makes it happen. Enjoy this gold mine of opportunity, a residual income for life, guaranteed. This is with all the disclaimers, mind you. So run your business in a full automated and full autopilot mode with the following benefits: autopilot advertising, autopilot leads, autopilot recruiting, autopilot marketing, autopilot signups, and autopilot team building. This is Marketing Valhalla. Get acquainted with our innovative business strategy, the greatest opportunity so far in the history of internet marketing. And I totally agree with that. So when you're still believing in the power of the internet and the concept of working from home, this is it for you. This page that you see in your screen right now is part of it. We have 48 or 50 or many advertising pages and many campaigns and many big data linked campaigns that will bring in leads, that will bring in team members for you, and you're able to aim them to your funnels, to your opportunities, whatever you promote online, whatever products or services you represent, whether you are an internet entrepreneur, a commission seller, a network marketeer, a network marketing marketeer, it doesn't matter. Become a founder right now and enjoy 90% discount when spots are still available. Mind you, this is truly amazing because literally everything is done for you. Once you're in, that's it. The rest will be done. No requirements, no recruiting, no authorship, no monthly fee. Become a founder now by clicking the links underneath this video. Why join us now? Very simple. It takes only $97 to join us, which otherwise cost $997. So yes, we're giving you a 90% discount now as a pre-launch offer. And if you want to join us later, we cannot promise the availability of seats. So register with 2 simple steps. Join us today, and we promise that you will never regret the decision. No need to be a technical wizard, no need to have any technical ability. Get your own page and invite your friends and family who dream big to secure their earnings. Gain knowledge from the regular updates sent by the owner, by the founder himself, in your back office. Be assured that the plans will be a big success as he has a wide network of loyal resources to assist him. Become a founder right now. There's also a recorded webinar option. When you click links underneath this video, you'll click through to pages like this, and you're also able to click on of recorded webinars in where everything is explained. Hurry up. Don't let go of this massive opportunity, once in a lifetime opportunity. It's a 3 by 10 forced matrix to infinity, instant and direct automated payments, automated spillovers and upgrades. Everyone gets paid on everyone. Change the game of marketing, change your life. Sign up right now by clicking links underneath this video. So here you have it. You are invited personally by me. My name is Rob Buser. There's many other videos explaining this opportunity on my channel. Become a member of my channel and I'll return the favor gladly. Experience a powerful online marketing machine and ask yourself if you're still using the old broken marketing methods and ask yourself why you're doing it. We are presenting you to a massive global marketing miracle, the mother of all in and online businesses. This is it, guys. Fully automated AI, so artificial intelligence software working for you, building your team and bringing in clients, and you're able to literally send people and invite people to your opportunities via this fully automated way of building your team, building your customer base, etc., etc. We will welcome you to a brand new experience, a revolutionary system that unites global population for a massive business growth. Secure your ultimate residual income opportunity. The videos that you can see by clicking links underneath will literally blow your mind. It's a game changer. It will literally it simply will be such a huge interrupter that many social media advertising agencies and even Google will do a rubberneck. Like even Google, YouTube and Facebook will turn around and look at this and scratch their head. This is a marketing revolution. So real visitors that initiate business growth, effortless virtual success, direct instant earnings. Become a founder now. We definitely bring you a breakthrough and breathtaking marketing platform that is no less than a miracle, a business that is totally automated, something that flips the definition of success for you, generating steady residual income, unifying global business minds. More than 2 decades of working experience in network marketing has helped evolve such an unbelievable income process. Why give an excuse when you can be the change? I'm just reading text here, guys, to inspire you. Set them aside and make a life-changing move. We avail you 2 options. Option number 1, you can wait for the business to launch. Select a business package for $25 only and purchase a founder's position for $997. However, this founder's position depends on the availability of the spots. That's option 1. And option 2 is you're able to, and when you choose option 2, which is highly recommended, is act now. Request for a founder's position at a 90%, a whopping 90% discount, a discount rate of only $97, one-time payment, and book your seat before the crowd. Highly recommended. So make the most remarkable decision of your life, choosing the second option. The universal resolve has inspired me. My name is Rob Buser, to invite my prospects, you, and unite them on this powerful journey. Become a founder now. Here you go. Click links underneath this video in order to receive more video information, or click the fast start link in order to register right away. So fill out the registration form, become a member, just secure and claim your seat right now. Very limited time left. And when you see this on a page where you can leave your best email address plus mobile telephone number in order to be sent more video information, do so. There'll be room somewhere on this page. So when you see this on a page where you see an area where you can do so, do so. You won't be sorry. We won't spam you. We'll send you appropriate video information and get back to the person that invited you to this amazing opportunity. They're really waiting to help you make the decision of your life. It's been said that you only get 2 opportunities in a lifetime to be successful. This may be one of them. Don't hesitate. Don't miss out. Get started now. Within minutes, you'll be glad you did. And last but not least, when you see this on YouTube, for example, please click on the links underneath this video, but also on a little word spelled share. Underneath every YouTube video, there's a little word spelled share somewhere on this, below this video, somewhere in this area. On this height, I should say. And when you click that, social media icons pop up and you're able to share this video on your social media platforms if you like. If you like to use this video on your own channel, do so by using YouTube Downloader, for example, and add your own links underneath in the comments and in the article, so that people click through to your own team after you've registered yourself. Do so. I highly recommend you to do so. And then last but not least, become a member of this channel. Click that little thumb. Google will love you and me for it. And then I'll see you and yours in our webinars, seminars, live streaming sessions, clinics, Zoom calls, Skype calls, on social media, also in our many sales funnels. And definitely I'll see you in the most beautiful resorts and on the most beautiful beaches of the world. Thank you so much.